How do I add an extra column to a NumPy array? Given the following 2D array, I want to add a column of zeros along the second axis to get
np.r_docs and np.c_docs are useful alternatives to np.stack and np.stack. Note that they use square brackets instead of parentheses. Some examples. The reason for square brackets, instead of round, is that Python converts one column 4 to slice objects in square brackets. I think a more straightforward solution and faster to boot is to do the following. And timings. Use NumPy.append. One way, using stack, is
I was also interested in this question and compared the speed of which all do the same thing for any input vector A. Timings for growing A. Note that all non-contiguous variants, in particular stack/stack, are eventually faster than all contiguous variants. Column_stack, for its clarity and speed, appears to be a good option if you require contiguity. Code to reproduce the plot.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.